Hi you guys, so I have a really cool exciting video for today, and it is some plant unboxing. And it's not just any plant unboxing, it's the very first time that I order plants from Southeast Asia and get them imported into the US, California specifically. So I'm really looking forward to how these are doing in the box, and very amazed by the packaging because this is like really small, and I order about I don't know how many plants I order actually, so I'll have to check. So much tape, I don't even know how to start. Okay, this is a little bit, this box is just like taped everywhere. It's giving me anxiety. Okay, so the plant that I have here is a philodendron. This is the Philodendron Burrow marks, and it looks quite small, but we'll see. I'm really amazed by the packaging. There are some yellow leaves. Oh, there's a lot of yellow leaves. Wow. So, oh wait, I forgot that this is also a variegated Burrow marks, but we'll see. So there is like some variegation right there, obviously. These are yellow leaves. I don't know, is that yellow or is that just like a really totally white variegated leaf? Dead, obviously. This one's super beautiful and it's bent. Wow, look at that. But it's a little bit yellow, so you can see, but that's to be expected, right? That's to be expected. Here are the roots. So you see those little dry ones, like this is probably, yeah, I just need to pull it off, but this is okay. So far it's a pretty good plant. So how much did I pay for this? $60. How much does this go for in the United States? Definitely more than $100 for even a smaller plant than this. So I don't think this is a bad deal. So okay, next, moving on to the next one. This one is what? I can't even read that, so I'm just gonna open it up and then show you. This one is my wishlist plant. It's been my wishlist plant ever since I saw it. It's been like on my list since I even started collecting plants, and I never bought it because it was so expensive everywhere I tried to get it. But I finally have one. And I cannot believe I got it for the price of $112. Okay, so this one is over $100, but this is super expensive here. $112 for a Philodendron villeti. Here it is. It has 3 leaves, and I don't know if one's gonna grow from there, but look at this. Wow, this is so pretty. Like, and the leaves are like really nice and well taken care of. They're not folded. I really like this. You know, one of the differences from them and Ecuagenera, it's like, I don't know why, but Ecuagenera, whenever I order any plant from them, some of the leaves are gonna come bent and ripped and missing maybe. So it's kind of annoying having to, like, you know, acclimate your plant when it has like a really damaged leaf, like, you know, bent and stuff. Look at this. It's so pretty. Now, I'll show you that this one did have a bent leaf right here, but it's just one and it's minor, and that's okay. And it's a philodendron, so the leaf here is going to be a lot easier to kind of, like, you know, unfold. But anthuriums, like, no, that's just hard. Whenever a leaf comes bent, it's just super hard to get back to its original shape. But oh my god, this is really pretty. I cannot get over it. Anyways, the important thing here is, how are the roots? Because if it ain't got roots, it ain't gonna be good. Oh, unfortunately, it doesn't have that many roots. 2 roots, to be honest. That's all it has. So it's sucky in that end, but that's okay. So this is dry, and I'll probably just have to wet it and then see how much I can pull off if it's bad. But here are the roots. Here's some toilet paper. It's not bad though, and it'll be okay. I'm gonna move on to the next one. This is a silver dragon. So this is an alocasia. I also have the dragon scale alocasia. So okay, so this one's kind of bad. Like yellow leaves everywhere, dead probably. So am I satisfied with this one? Not really, to be honest, because it looks really, really bad. I think for alocasias, you can definitely find them for like affordable prices here in the United States. And I think if you're gonna buy an alocasia, just get it from where you currently live, like whatever country you are in, even if it's a little bit pricey, because they are a little bit more, you know, riskier to import. You can definitely get more yellow leaves along the way, and it might not survive, and then it's an alocasia, just to put it simple as that. So yeah, I would not recommend importing alocasia so far, just from looking at this. So here are the roots. This one is dead, so we're just gonna pull it off, and yeah, not okay. The roots are okay, I mean, but like the plant overall is not so hot, you know. Unfortunately, I don't know if she's gonna make it. Do you think she'll make it? Let me know, because I don't wanna, you know what, I'm just not even gonna put my hopes up. Like, I'm just gonna say she's done, and I'm gonna put her in water, and I'll give her whatever I'm gonna do to the rest, and then if she makes it, she makes it, and if she doesn't, then oh well. Okay, the next plant here is a Monstera Standalone. Am I saying that right? Standalone. Well, it has my name in it, so it better be good. You can see some yellowing of the leaves was beginning to happen. This is all stress, obviously, you know. I was expecting this from all of the plants because that was a long trip. It was a long trip. And then the roots right here. So a lot of browning. This is not good, but there are some healthy roots there, and again, we can totally save this. This is savable. Whoa, girl, I did not expect that. Okay, you know, this is finally starting to get good. I was like a little bit worried, you know. That's like basically my billieti and this plant are the only plants that look spectacular, but the roots are the important thing, right? So, oh, so sad. That was the end of your life, period. All right, so let's look at the roots. So this one, again, the roots are a lot longer for sure. They're long, they're nice. It has a really nice stump, so I can get a lot of new roots. That's not a problem. This is looking good. I'm very happy with this one. 2 leaves though on an alocasia. That's very risky, you know. You're bound to lose leaves with alocasias very quickly if you don't give them the right care. So we'll see what happens though. So far I'm happy. Do you think it'll die? Look. This is a clarinervium. Now, do I have a clarinervium? Yes, but is it a big one? No. Do you want to see my clarinervium? This girl's dying. I'll just tell you that right now. So I accidentally, it's also super thirsty. I'm like going on a trip, so I kind of like been delaying watering my plants because, yeah. Anyways, this is my current clarinervium. Super bad. I need to do something about it, and I just haven't gotten to it. So I went ahead and bought myself another clarinervium because, again, do I need one? No. Do I want one? Yes. Oh, and there's another one down here? Oh. There's another plant below this one. So, all right. It has so many leaves. It has so many leaves. Holy smokes. Oh my God. Girl, like, oh my God, what is Okay, sorry. There's something white on here, but I don't know what. We'll take a look at that later. Maybe it's a bug. But look at this. Wow, this is so pretty. 9 leaves. Oh. And look at the roots. I am very happy with this purchase. We're just gonna leave it at that. I am very happy. The video ends here now. Bye. I'm kidding. It doesn't end here. Wow. Let me show you. Hold up. Let me refresh. Come on, girl. I paid $100 for this Anthurium clarinervium. Is it worth it? Yeah. Like, would I find it this nice, this many leaves in the United States? No. Like, maybe, I don't know. No, I don't think so. I've seen some people get them for like $50 though, but I don't know. It's really hard. This is super good. And it has so many leaves, so this is worth it. Could it be any cuter? No. So, oh, cuidado, no vas a mover la mesa. Okay, so now the last one, the Philodendron Melanochrysum. The only one, which again, it has really big leaves. Let's just hope they're not yellow. This is a Philodendron Melanochrysum, long size, for $125. $125. So I expect this plant to be in really good shape, to come really good because it was expensive. Now, we'll see. We'll see. Set my expectations too high already. I jinx myself, yo. I fucking jinx myself. Oh, here's the Milano Chryson. I mean, I'll tell you that there's like some leaves that are beginning to yellow, but I feel like that's just stress from, you know, the shipping. Like, I cannot expect the plant to arrive to me perfectly healthy from Southeast Asia, like, you know, in a box, 6 days. Like, that's just really hard. So there is some yellowing. I will lose some leaves. There's a new leaf here. We'll see how that one does. Maybe it'll die, maybe it won't. We'll see. And it has a lot of roots, so I could even in the future propagate it. Philodendrons, in my opinion, are super easy to propagate. I have lost all the excitement with these plants just from removing all this toilet paper. Okay, so this one has a lot of damaged roots, and to be honest, I don't even know if it's gonna survive. Look at that. I mean, yes, it will survive. Philodendron, once again, super easy to root again in sphagnum moss. So that's what we will be doing with this Philodendron Melanochrysum, giving it a lot of light and a lot of humidity, and just keeping the roots in sphagnum moss until the plant adapts. Stress, I'm very stressed. The plant definitely reflects all the stress that it suffered from the shipment. So I understand it, you know, we can all relate. We all have stress in our lives. She ain't perfect, but neither are you. So this is okay. I still very much love you, and you will be very happy in this home. So sad to lose you though. You're a really big leaf. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe they should have sent me like a little gift, you know. Like, hey, you know, this is from all the other side of the world. Here's a plant for you. And for all the plants you bought. But I understand. Business is business. This is so sad. Okay, lesson learned. Never buy alocasias. Period. Okay, so that's really it for today's video, you guys. I have unboxed 7 plants. You've seen them. Now you can go buy plants from aroidmarket.com at your own risk. So Fido certificate was $30. Most expensive plant was $125. most cheapest plant was $35. The Monstera Standalone. And I don't know if she'll make it, but I think she will. I think all the plants are gonna make it. Once again, I'm sending all the good vibes to my home because my plants are gonna thrive. Even this girl, she's gonna be fine. We'll see. Anyways, thank you so much, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And it really means the world to me. It really does, believe it or not. It really does. It gets me excited. It makes me happy. And I want to keep creating more plant content for you guys. So let me know how this video turns out and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And let me know which plant do you think is going to die. Because let's be real, I'm pretty sure one of these is going to die. Like, we cannot be so optimistic here. Looking at you, girl. All right. Bye. I hope you have a really good day.